Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2017 Kubota B2301 compact tractor loader with the LA 434 quick attach loader. Does have skid steer quick attach on the front, 3-point hitch, category 1, drawbar, 540 PTO, top link is with it. Very nice tractor, clean. We're going to start you here underneath the engine compartment. This tractor does have a scratch up here on the loader, or on the hood. 1 second here, get my arm in there. Open the hood now. There we go. So, under the hood, going to be powered by a 3-cylinder diesel engine, non-emissions. That is a 23-horse Kubota. I believe these are a D1005, 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. We just did a full service. All OEM Kubota filters and oils have been changed. Tractor's 100% ready to go to work. Now, on this hood, you're going to see there's a scuff here and here. A couple scratches on the loader arms. Bucket cutting edge is in very, very nice shape. Tractor never had a mower under it. The gentleman used this on his driveway for snow removal, and he did have a few 3-point implements that he kept with his next tractor. Folding ROPS, SMV, toolbox, factory top link, drawbar. Back here at the fender, there's a little ding right here, pointing that out. And other than that, is a pretty straight tractor. 2301 series is going to have a tilt wheel. You are going to have your 4-ways turn signals. You do have the nicer style seat with the armrest package on it. You have your selection of rear, mid and rear, or just mid PTO. You will have a 3-range hydrostat system, which is nice versus some of the older tractors just had 2, a low and a high. You do have your cruise, you do have your 4-wheel drive in and out. I apologize, not cruise, you do have your up and down, your 3-point. Cruise control is down here. So the 01 series has some nice options in it versus like a 50 series or a new LX. Kind of the right fit for a lot of guys on tractors. So at 178 hours, a very nice tractor with a skid steer quick attach. We're going to fire it up, run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do, and here we go. So kind of what we'll do here, we're going to get through all the ranges, show you that everything there works. Now, we will go ahead and put it in 4-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive in, 4-wheel drive out. So that's low range 4-wheel drive in, low range out. So what I'm going to do at this time, go ahead and head to medium range. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to high range. So the nice thing in these 01 series tractors they are a non-emissions tractor, which is nice. You don't have to worry about any of the particulate stuff, DPF, any of that. PTO in, 3-point out. Somebody added a nice chain hook on the bucket. So, very nice little tractor. You got turn signals, headlights, four ways, all work. Tractor is something we do here. A lot of people do not do this. It costs a lot of money. We service everything we sell. We change all your filters and oils. It's done and taken care of. Lights will work. We're kind of a meticulous people here. We like to go and do things the right way. It's hard for me to compete with people who are buying stuff at auction sales. We either buy privately owned pieces or we do buy a lot of dealer trade-in stuff. That's what we do for a living. It's who we are, and we're just a small family-owned business. But if you'd like to see any of our other stuff, check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House and Machinery Trader. You're welcome to see us here in person at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. Right here is our phone number, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.